Kawan pinya na to.
Finally!
Yes.
We're here! We're here, guys! Oh my god, that's a dream come true!
We're in Paris. We're gonna go to our airplane.
Yes, this is our private jet, Eme.
Yes, so next is we're going to Philippines. So we're in France.
Oo, we'll miss our country, you know.
There.
Yeah.
We'll go to Philippines.
Philippine Sea? Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's a court.
Legoland.
Yeah, we're in Legoland in Japan.
Wow!
We're
Hi again.
Hi again. We're in the Philippines now. After we went from Paris.
Yeah, we miss our country.
Then there's Lego here.
Yes. This is real Lego, guys. It's real Lego. It's an No thanks, no comment.
Nicole. She can't speak right now.
I own this.
She's stuttering.
Yes.
Yeah, she's Lego God. Picture ka dito. Grabe, nag-record. Wow. Nicole. Nicole.
Record to. Ang boring, guys. Gusto ko na mag-swimming. Yan mo, pakita mo yung ano.
Look at that duck.
Duck na sila, di ba?
Look. Just moita.
Alam mo lang nagbabant.
I love the ducks. The ducks, I love them.
Weh?
Yeah.
Wala ko din magay.
Alam.
Oh, lapit ka. Lapit.
Short.
Wala? Ay. We run out of the money. So we will run. We will run. The ducks.
Walang daw ng 5 minuto.
Hey guys, so today
We're eating ice cream.
yes,
In front of Eiffel Tower.
yes, we are in Paris, and you know, yes,
Yeah.
she's eating ice cream because tapos na ako. She's the only one eating na lang. So here, as you can see, here is the Eiffel Tower and the heart of the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. What that? So pretty. So pretty. Look at the ducks. Okay, hindi na, shy sila. And yeah, it's so pretty quiet here. The ducks again, another group of ducks. And Bernie's right here. And Nicole. Yes. So yeah, we are in here. We are sitting on a bench. with ducks twerking, shaking their booties. Yeah. They're so cute far away. And yeah. Wala kung saan sila pupunta.
Tawagin.
Ayoko kaya. Okay na sila dyan. Ikaw nga rin, di ba takot? O ano?
Ano naman,
Oo.
naman ako tamak.
Ganon. They're cute. Ay! Uy, lapit. Ay, hindi. Okay, stop siya. Stop. Ayun, lapit, be. O ano?
Yeah, the Greek, we live in here.
Yes. You know, we time traveled also.
There's our room.
Yes.
There's our room. Wow, you opened the door.
Yes.
Ano ba si Loloy?
Please, keep working. Kumain niyo si Kate. Bili ice cream.
Ay, bibili ba? Tara, be. Be, sama daw kami.
Sure is low.
Yung chocolate also. Busy yan.
Ice cream.
Earth plane daw. Earth plane? Sorry.
Bakit parang maglalak dyan? Wala eh.
Ay?
Makbo.
Ay, no. Ano, what do you think about the dog? Wait lang.
Ha? May?
Nakita ko mo.
Ako yun. We have a big ice cream for my teacher. No. It's dirty white. So vanilla, alam mo. You can't like this. And what do we have here? Nicole. Well.
Well,
We have in this well. We have Sadako here from the ring.
Huh? Ano?
It's no why.
Pakala ko ano ba eh.
And then, oh, there's a cat right there. No, there's a cat.
Where?
There's a clock. There's a cat.
Where?
It went like,
Ayun, ay.
Hindi. Let it go.
Lapit. You love dogs. You love dogs.
Yeah, no, I love you. See? They love me.
Oh my gosh. I can tell.
You see, this is my destiny with me when I was a baby. Look at the top here. You saw it. Oh my God.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ay, mali. Record.
Hindi mo nakita yung lubig na sa kanila. Pwede ba yung picture yung mga ganyan?